When designing our Covercraft SeatSaver seat covers, we use several different types of attachments to ensure these covers will fit perfectly and stay secure on any vehicle. When installing Covercraft SeatSaver seat covers for your vehicle, you will encounter some or all of these attachment types. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through all of them and teach you how to use them during the installation process. Buckle straps. The first attachment is the buckle strap. The strap attached to the female side of the buckle is fixed, meaning we sew it in place so it can't come loosened, tightened, or come off. The strap attached to the male side, however, is adjustable, allowing you to pull and tighten it to secure and cinch the seat cover in place. To tighten, simply pull the loose end of the strap on the male side. To loosen, lift the tab on the male buckle to release tension. To fasten, insert the male end into the female end until you hear a click. To unfasten, pinch both sides of the male buckle and pull it free. Sponge pillows. When installing your SeatSaver seat covers, you may encounter up to 3 different sizes of sponge pillows: small, medium, and large. These pillows are made from a durable foam and are sewn into a fabric pouch on 3 sides, with the 4th side sewn directly into the edge of the seat cover. Sponge pillows are designed to be pressed or wedged through gaps throughout your vehicle's seat to help anchor the cover in place at the seat seam to keep it secure. Once inserted, the foam expands to hold securely. Stiffeners. Stiffeners are thin, fabric-covered, rigid plastic strips that are stitched directly into the edges of your seat covers. They are primarily used on seat bottoms where gaps are too tight for sponge pillows. To install, grab the stiffener, pull the fabric tight, and slip it under the plastic seat trim attached to your seat frame. The stiffness helps secure the cover firmly without the need for additional fasteners. J-clips. J-clips are used where other attachment methods simply won't work, specifically where you need to hook onto thin plastic seat trim. To install, pull the cover tight and push the J-clip over the edge of the plastic. The clip will expand slightly, gripping the trim securely without damaging your seat. Wheels. Wheels are primarily used on the front seats to help secure the seat cover between the backrest and the seat bottom cushions. To install, turn the wheel flat and push it through the seam or gap where the backrest meets the seat bottom until it sticks out of the back. Once it's fully through, rotate the wheel upright so it locks into place and cannot be pulled back through when you tighten the cover from the front. This anchoring method helps keep the cover snug and prevents shifting during use. Velcro. Velcro is sewn directly onto many cover panels and is most commonly used on backrests, consoles, headrests, and armrests. For proper installation, pull the seat cover tight to remove slack. Align and press the Velcro together until they bond securely. Velcro allows for adjustable tension and easy reattachment when needed. That's it. Those are all the attachment types you'll encounter when installing your Covercraft SeatSaver seat covers. If you have any issues, questions, or feedback, we definitely want to hear from you. Our knowledgeable and dedicated customer support team is here for you on the phone, email, or chat. Covercraft, protecting the things that move you since 1965.